Back in the shop working on the Lego table today. I got most of the frame put together and it's starting to take its shape. Before I started assembling pieces, I used my random orbital sander with 80 grit sandpaper and sanded some of the hard to reach places and got some of that out of the way. Then I used a dowel jig to drill holes in the ends of the rail pieces before gluing and installing dowels. Once I got all the dowel holes drilled and the dowels glued in, I used my handy dandy wooden mallet and persuaded it all to go together gently. I figured I'd better put the mallet away before I damage some of this pretty hardwood, so I would have rather used pipe clamps, but I didn't have any long enough to go the full length of the table. It's 60 inches wide and my pipe clamps are about 3 feet. So I had to use tie down straps to pull the joints together, and that seemed to work out pretty well. So here's where I'm going to leave it today. I got the rails assembled, all the top rails and the 3 bottom rails are all assembled, clamped up, waiting for the glue to dry. So when I come back, I'll work on the toy wheels, one on each end. I'll work on the tabletop, and then I may add some cherry accents to the top and maybe the sides, and we'll just kind of go from there. We'll see you next time.